That's a weird bird making a weird call. Now it doesn't say anything, it said something twice. Wasn't my bird trying to give me a message. Well, you never know, there may be a really big boom coming. But then usually my bird is panicky, really fast, thinks really fast, but God, please be with us. Today is December 24th, 2019. At least for Christmas we should have some peace. We watched a movie once, I think it was called The Truth. They had peace at Christmas in the wartime. They put their guns down and they loved each other, at least for Christmas, I believe. Have to watch it again soon. Birdie, 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 birdie. God bless you, my friends. Stay safe and healthy. Eat well, exercise a little, and be thankful. I know it's really hard to be thankful for everything, but it works. Bye. Love ya.